Oh yeah, baby, we laugh. What's up, man? It's Art again here from Asmodus, bringing you back to Spruzza. We've got a couple changes here that we want to go over. For those of you who have bought Spruzza, went out there and purchased it and know what it's about. What's different now is it's going to come with a new RDA called the ONI-ONE. So, similar in the fact that it's for flavor and things of that nature, right? Pair it really nicely with the Spruzza. Difference is it's a single coil setup. You can run dual coil if you wanted to. It's really nice, really convenient to build upon. It's got a juice splitter for when you squonk up. If you look right down inside here, you can see a little plate. Once you squonk up, juice is going to disperse evenly to the sides. When you install, you're going to want to go diagonal. One lead here, one lead here, or vice versa. It does not matter. Unless you were going to do a dual coil setup, in which case you would run two coils directly this way. Alright? Airflow, really nice airflow is going to come up from underneath the build deck right here, from underneath these posts. I'm not sure if you guys can see that at home, but if you guys get a chance to pick it up, you'll most definitely be able to see that. So, take a closer look at the actual cap itself. Nice, smooth, classy finish, right? Everything's smooth. Blends in beautifully with your mod. Pop it back on so you guys get a better look at that again. Very elegant. I feel it pairs up really nice with this mod right here. It's actually a wonderful setup. I've had a couple puffs on one of these earlier today, and I gotta tell you, for about 45 watts, it's extremely smooth and flavorful. But if we go back down to the cap itself, if you see those slight little ridges in there, those ridges inside there actually help diffuse heat as well as catch spitback. Go ahead and pop this out so you can get a better look. So directly in here, directly down in here, you're going to see these little ridges. That's what I was referring to earlier. Like I said, it works as a heat shield as well as catching spitback. We want to prevent any and all juice spitback. I know you guys probably noticed these notches right here. These are there for design. Clearly and purely for design. So once you've had your coil inserted in here and installed, obviously it's going to be a little hard to straighten and bend. That's why these relief cuts are here, to make room and allow your screwdriver or whatever post, whatever gauge, little building gauge that you have. This way it allows it to give you some room to work with. Definitely a lot of room in here for a single coil setup. It's really amazing, So when you open up your box, you're going to pull out your Spruzza. No more Fonte. It's going to come with an ONI-ONE, as I said before. Go ahead and pull this out. You're going to get your extra glass with O-ring. You'll get all your necessary tools, extra grub nuts, Allen key, extra O-rings. As I said in one of the previous videos, these O-rings right here have been redesigned to be stronger. They're better for resisting heat, as well as they actually have a really cool color. I'm a fan of them. You're going to get two pre-built ONI coils. These coils are 226 gauge with a 40 gauge nichrome wrap. They're already pre-straightened for you for your single coil setups, which is extremely convenient. Check them out. As well as you'll have your Asmodus Spruzza specification manual. Give you all the lowdown of what you need to know about this device in many different languages as well. You're also going to receive your Asmodus warranty card, where you guys at home be talking to me directly. Boom, warranty, zoom in, pause the screen, do what you need to do to know what you got to do, as well as battery safety. This is number one. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing built up for you guys.
Got big old watch my time clock. Push the button on my top drop, and I ain't even had to go to no chop shop. Man, that the feel for the torque in the real 5 little, yeah, that's Gucci.